Thought-provoking paragraphs, sealed in the time glass, stilled in the brain, selling back in my mind shaft. The craft I use wise when creating a script, to make sure you don't forget none of the lyrics I spit. Give me a bit, shit I ain't concerned with a hit. When it's real, you can feel how legit I get. Quit never, with age I get better like fine wine. Prime time dark spitter, lyrical Einstein. Fire line flow gets scorched, I'm so hot. Guaranteed to torch everything when I drop. Now or never, weather forecast predict rain. It's gonna take a lot of strength to overcome this pain. Pressure bust pipes, I'm creating a sinkhole. It's time to take the thought process into think mode. Eyes closed, I suppose it's time to act out. On this Flumbeatz track, I'm about to black out.
Walk like a criminal, talk like a criminal, speak like a criminal, eat like a criminal, flow like a criminal, get dough like a criminal. This is dedicated to my everyday criminals. Walk like a criminal, talk like a criminal, speak like a criminal, eat like a criminal, flow like a criminal, get dough like a criminal. This is dedicated to my everyday criminals.
Laced with flair, flow like I'm replacing the air. It's hard to breathe when you notice your replacement there. Case of the rare, eye to eye, face with a stare. It's too late to back down, you gotta face your fear. Take command, be cool but don't shake my hand. Say what's up and keep it moving with your hating fam. Damn, hit the road like Jack, you know the song. And don't you come back no more, get gone, move. You dealing with the wrong dudes, long twos. How you gonna stop the international crush groove? How they gonna stop Flumbeatz and SK? When shit hit the fan, I'm reloaded, okay? Be for real, logically speaking, it ain't possible. My criminal mind, I have you resting in the hospital. Go against the grain and feel the pain, the wrath. There ain't a rapper in the game that can change my path.
Walk like a criminal, talk like a criminal, speak like a criminal, eat like a criminal, flow like a criminal, get dough like a criminal. This is dedicated to my everyday criminals. Walk like a criminal, talk like a criminal, speak like a criminal, eat like a criminal, flow like a criminal, get dough like a criminal. This is dedicated to my everyday criminals.